Do you know which part of your resume is the most important part? Which part of your resume you should focus the most? Let me share with you which is the most important part of any resume, and not just resume, which is the most important part of any document. If you notice, whenever we receive any email or we open any document, any attachment, we have this tendency of clicking the attachment, and this is how the pop-up comes up. And what you see is, even without downloading the attachment, I have just clicked the attachment and I have got a preview of the document. And this preview is the first half of the first page of the resume, and this is the most important part of your resume. And you should mention all the key unique value proposition of you as a candidate in the first half of your resume. But you know what? A lot of candidates make this silly mistake of mentioning, or I should say, wasting this space by including things which are not important. We kind of waste a lot of space in just mentioning our name, mentioning our picture, mentioning our objective in a too elaborative manner, or just mentioning things which are not related to getting a job, just like phone number, email ID, and things like that. This is a very important space and you should utilize it very, very diligently. So the ideal thing to do is, when you open your resume, the person should be able to get the entire history about your work experience. If you notice this resume, here I have highlighted my entire career profile in just 2 lines, in terms of I'm a digital marketing professional with 10 plus years of experience, having worked with XYZ companies. And then what I have done is, I have highlighted the top 3 things of my career, the top 3 career highlights. And post that, I have started mentioning my entire work experience. So remember guys, utilize the first half of the first page of your resume in the most effective and efficient manner, and you will see much better results in terms of your resume getting shortlisted. Thank you.